Welcome to our exploration of Canva, a powerful online design tool that empowers users to create stunning visuals with ease. Whether you are a professional designer or a novice, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that caters to all skill levels. Today, we will explore the various options available, including AI voice generators, video generators, free templates, resume templates, and free logo makers. Let us begin our journey through these features. Upon entering the Canva website, you are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The homepage features a search bar at the top, allowing you to quickly find templates for various projects, including presentations, social media posts, and marketing materials. Starting with the Home tab, you will find an overview of all available templates, including resumes, documents, whiteboards, presentations, and social media graphics. The left sidebar allows you to create designs across various categories such as presentations, social media, videos, and websites. By clicking on the More option, you can access additional layouts, office and business templates, marketing materials, as well as photos and videos. If you have existing documents, you can easily upload them for modification. Canva boasts an extensive library of templates organized by category. Each template is fully customizable, enabling you to modify text, images, and colors to suit your brand or personal style. Simply click on a template to begin your design journey. Let us now focus on the Resume feature. Clicking on the Resume option opens a new tab where you can either upload your existing resume or choose from a variety of templates offered by Canva. You can select the type of resume you prefer and customize it to your liking. Canva provides numerous features, allowing you to add text, projects, symbols, and even select different templates. The modification options are extensive, ensuring that your resume stands out. Next, we will explore the certificate feature. Similar to resumes, you can upload your existing certificates and modify them as needed. Canva offers a range of templates created by various organizations, allowing you to tailor your certificate to meet your specific requirements. The editing process is straightforward, enabling you to change any aspect of the design. Finally, we will look at the logo modification feature. Just like with resumes and certificates, you can easily modify logos using Canva's intuitive tools. The platform provides a variety of templates and customization options, ensuring that your logo reflects your brand identity. In the fast-paced world of project management, maintaining data integrity while making modifications is crucial. This feature enables users to work on their projects without the fear of losing any information. Whether you are adjusting parameters, adding new elements, or refining existing components, the system automatically saves your progress, allowing for a smooth workflow. In conclusion, Canva is a powerful tool that simplifies the design process, offering a multitude of features for resumes, certificates, logos, and more. Whether you are creating a professional document or a personal project, Canva provides the resources you need to bring your ideas to life. Thank you for joining us in this demonstration, and we hope you enjoy exploring all that Canva has to offer.